Congratulations, you have just finished the course. So now it's time to show the LinkedIn network and recruiters your newly gained knowledge. For the certificate to be accessible, you first have to complete 100% of lectures during the course, so make sure you have all the lectures completed, including this one we are viewing right now. Let's now download the certificate. To do so, you have to go back to the lessons section, to the course, and here you can download the certificate. If you see a mistake in how the certificate is printed, for example, you've used a nickname while signing up, but now on the certificate you want to have your full name, please email us at support@ivan.academy. So now you have just downloaded your certificate. It's time to post it on your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, what is LinkedIn and why do we recommend you to share your certificates there? LinkedIn is a top website for recruitment and networking with over 700 million users. Therefore, you never know what opportunity may come your way on LinkedIn. If you didn't sign up yet, we definitely recommend you do, because recruiters and hire professionals are very active on LinkedIn and are constantly looking for new people to potentially join their company. LinkedIn is a place where you can be discovered, and it's crucial you have your profile up to date. And having a certificate like this is just the one thing that can differentiate you from others. To upload your certificate, you have to either go here, if you have in the past uploaded such certificates, or if you've never done this before, you have to add section and then press license and certifications. Then let's write here the name of our certificate. Then let's find our organization. It popped up for me fast, but you may need to write the whole name. Let's paste the issue date, May 2021. These two fields you can leave open. And let's save. And this way we have our certificate added. Let's now share with our network that we have received the certificate. When sharing, you can post what you have learned, what do you think about the course, or if it was interesting to you. So let's make the post. Let's add the document. Choose file, let's just choose the certificate which I have just downloaded. Then add the description of the document. And it's done. Then we can write thank you for the great learning experience. Ivan on Tech Blockchain Academy. And always make sure to tag us when posting, because then we can answer, comment, like, maybe share your post, so more people know about it. The post is fun and engaging way to share your newly gained knowledge, and it can also increase your reach and respect across your network, as it can help you to be seen as an expert in the field. So definitely don't miss out on this part.